In order to connect printer on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we need to open settings. Next, we're gonna proceed to connections. And then in here, you want to go to more connection settings. Now we're gonna go to printing. And first, we're gonna start by going to default print service. When enabled, your phone will try to find your printer. And if it manages to find, then you should be able to select it to try to connect with the printer. However, there is a chance that the printer won't be detectable over here. So in that case, you can go back and you might want to download an additional plugin. You will be redirected to the Play Store where you have different plugins for different printers, for different brands, of course. So you might want to find your printer's brand over here and download the plugin. After that, there is a chance that you will be able to actually find your printer either over here in the print service or inside of the app. And in addition to that, in some cases, or actually in many cases, printers require you to download a very specific app to make it work, to connect. So if none of this helps, you want to check the manual of the printer and try to find an information about how to actually connect to phone, how to connect your printer to phone. Because there can be a mention of a very specific app that you need to download on your phone to make it work. So you will have to follow these instructions to connect the printer on your Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. Of course, you can use the Play Store to find these apps. You should be able to find them pretty easily, and I'm pretty sure they are free as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.